Cibola National Park. National Forest. Why did I say National Park? Use a shovel and a bucket for dead out campfires. Alright. Smokey the Bear would say that is very wise. I have a feeling there's gonna be cows here. You can just see it. You can just tell. It's that terrain that they like. Roxy will let me know. As long as there's not a lot of flies and they don't charge me, we're good. It is springtime, so we gotta watch out for those little baby calves around the mama cows. I'm in the group area and I'm just kind of making my way through. Oh, hopefully I don't get stuck here. I should check. I don't think it's rained here. This would be nice as long as that guy's not a weirdo. The wind just started blowing, but it's nice. It's like 71 degrees here. I don't know if I parked too close to this person. You know, their truck's not here, so I don't know. Do you want to come out? She's like, where are you going? Do you want to come out? You want to come mark your territory? Let's go check it out. Look at it, somebody left me some firewood. I don't think we could have fires right now. It's nice. We've got neighbors here because it's a group site. But lots of space. Lots of trees. No cows. I feel good about this place. Firewood. Roxy's like, you left me. Don't leave me. Excuse me? Can I help you? Can I help you? Oh, okay. I don't think these people are here because their awning is out and we're getting some good gusts. There's supposed to be 22 mile per hour gusts and it's mild right now, but I would think they would come out and take down their awning. But they have a nice little setup. You can tell they're staying for a while. I hope I didn't park too close. But I just went to a fire pit. They have their fire pit. There's a fire pit between us. And then I have my fire pit. I love my spot. I have a tree. See? So it's sunny. It's beautiful. It's windy. But she's getting her beauty sleep. So I'm letting her rest. What are my chances that my fridge just went out as I got the other one ready? Look at, that's not going to keep everything cold. So there's some things that can stay in here. I'm just not going to open the door. You hear it ticking? Doesn't want to light. So then the check light comes on. I'm just not going to mess with it right now. I'm just going to let it thaw out. Maybe, I'm thinking maybe it just got too frosted. I need to defrost it. Hoping that's it. Otherwise, I've got my backup fridge, thank God. I'm hoping this is the issue. I think this is the issue. I let it go too long, so you can't even see the things, the little coil things. Yeah, it was working too hard. That's probably the issue. We'll let it thaw out, or I can get the hairdryer. Okay, all clean. I should have done this a long time ago. But yeah, those things need to be exposed, not frozen over. My poor freezer. working overtime. All right, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Auto. Now let's listen. You hear the clicking. So the pilot's not lighting. It's not working. Turn it off. Okay, I think it's working now. What I did is I turned on my stove because I thought, well, maybe I need to bleed the lines. I am an RV tech. All right, so I hear it. I don't hear the clicking. I think it's working. Yeah, I don't hear the clicking anymore. So we'll watch this temperature gauge. It's 50 right now. We'll watch it and see if it starts going down. Yay! It's taken a while. It's amazing how quickly it goes up in temperature and how long it takes for it to get down. But light's still on. Thank goodness I have my DoorDash bag from the old days. Doing DoorDash deliveries. Yes, I was a dasher. Look what I brought out again. My knitting. I haven't taken my knitting out in so long. Okay, it's getting cold. It's a little bit over 40. I put a few things in there. We're good. We are all set up. I've got my solar panels charging my battery. I've got Roxy. She's safe from the cows. Are you safe from the cows? I should put her water in there. Good girl. She's like, how do I get out? 70 degrees. There's a slight breeze. We're enjoying it because in a couple days they're saying it's going to be windy. So try to get our outdoor quota in before we're blown around. I don't know if I'm sticking around or gonna get out of the winds because I hate being trapped inside for 2 days. Roxy's like, I'm fine with it. That's the thing with having a senior dog. They don't really want to go and do anything. She's very content in her little princess palace, getting her sunshine. Super quiet here, and I haven't seen any cows. I'm whispering and I don't know why. It's nice. And my battery's getting charged up by my solar panels. Yeah, it does work much better when it's not in the windshield area. It just has direct sunlight. It'll be charged in no time. And then I can, that's a good question. I want to see if I can charge my battery pack that I'm using to charge my refrigerator directly with the solar panels. I'm sure I can. Somebody had asked me if I could charge my flash fish. So I know there's different little adapters there, so I'll try it out. Look, I have protection in case a cow comes by. I can spray that big heifer. I'm prepared. It's charging. I just wish there was a percentage. You know, that would be helpful. But it does show that the power is coming in. That green bar. Are you doing good? She's perfectly fine. She's got her water, she's got her sun, she's got her shade, she's got mama nearby. What more could you want? Huh? She's totally content. This is so nice. I know I haven't shown you guys around. Let me show you around. I'll walk around a little bit. She can walk with me. She's a little funny about this terrain. She hasn't experienced anything quite like it. The grass is, it's not soft and it's not hard. It's just, it's a little prickly, but not with thorns. My coffee. This is how I have my refrigerator set up. I have all my meats and hot dogs and bacon and everything kind of just in that position, just so I could see everything, you know? I could figure out what I want. And I do have a frozen water bottle in here, just to see if it fits standing up. It fits. Are we good? Are we good? She could smell, even through the packaging. She smells all that. Are we good? Yeah? Okay. Close this up. Can I help you? Should we take our slides out? Look at you, Miss Drip. Drip. Don't touch me with that, Drip. Oh. Let's see, we got full power. Yep, they're working. Okay, we may take the slides out so I could put her bed down. I'm inside cooking breakfast and this huge wind gust came. Surprised everything's still in place. I gotta put a rock right there in that corner. Okay, one thing at a time. I gotta finish my, I don't know if you would call it my breakfast or my lunch, my brunch. Okay. It's just egg with Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, butter, lots and lots of butter. I just finished charging my main battery here outside with my solar panels. So it's fully charged. Now I'm going to charge my power pack here that normally I use this to charge my refrigerator. But I've got both things going on at the same time. I've got it charging because it was getting low. I've got it charging from this battery. And at the same time, I'm charging the refrigerator. And it was at 35 and now it's 36. So it is working because my refrigerator's working too. It's at 30. That's good to know. Nice. That was really cool. My battery charged my other battery to 100%. And it only used 1 bar. So tomorrow I will fully charge this up so that I can have this as a backup.